The new rust bucket. Here is our newest rust bucket. It's a base model K5 with 32,000 miles. It has the 305 engine. Pretty clean under here. 5.0 baby. Base model is nice with the crank windows. Oh, now it's dead. Bit of rust. Yeah. Plans for this guy would be maybe some 1-tons and manual transmission. I have a NP203 and a 205. Maybe I can make a doubler. Get that 4-to-1 ratio. So, supposedly this truck sat at a nursery in a field and basically it was all muddy. I think that's where most of the rust came from. And just sat there. Runs really well. I might have to adjust the timing a bit, but seems like everything's solid with the drivetrain, other than, you know, shocks and stuff. Probably need new ones, but need some sheet metal work. That's not a big deal. And would be cool to make this like a little, you know, manual 205 1-ton swapped buggy. Keep the 305 in here. Seems to be running well. And yeah, that would be fun. I am a fan of the single headlights. I think it looks way better. Steering is so good. I dislike these mirrors. Maybe I should just do that Poppy's patina. Hate these mirrors. So I have two SM465s. This one has the 32 spline output. Also hydraulic clutch. This one's a little older, out of a, I think it was a K30. does have the 205. But I have a NP203 I can put in between there, and that would be an awesome 4-to-1 gear reduction. But yeah, that would be a fun project. So I tried to adjust the distributor. I cannot move the bolt, so I got to spray some the blaster. Oh. Yeah, so I could not get the bolt for the distributor loose. Here's the tires that came on it. Gone. But this is the original tire from the factory. Good tread too. I'll swap this tire out before I get it off the trailer. Nice landing. Not a bad tire.